It's above me now.
I said I'm sorry.
It's above me now.
Please, I've been in.
I was on the phone when you said it.
You won't let me in.
I was on the phone when you said it.
Please, I've been in.
It's above me now. Above me now. Above me now. Above me now. It's above.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a quick braid out that I'm gonna put in the fro. I used my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, and then I went in with my curling smoothie by As I Am. So I just parted my hair in 3, and then I'm gonna start with the bottom section. So first I'm gonna detangle just a little bit with my comb. You're gonna see me add a little bit of product and then detangle with my Denman brush, and then I'll add more product. I kind of do this process to create a little bit of slip. And then I kind of just like to use my Denman brush once or twice just to make sure that I'm detangling all my sections. Now the number one tip to an amazing braid out is to make sure that your hair is 1, moisturized, but 2, nicely detangled. So that's kind of just why I do it that way. I'm just gonna start braiding my hair, and I don't like to braid it too tight towards the roots just because I kind of like my fro to be a little bit more, I guess, frizzy in a way. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid that, and at the end of the braid I like to make sure that I coil it instead of braiding it. It's easier in the morning to unbraid it, and I feel like it creates less tension on my ends. If you can create tension on your ends, I don't know, but I just coil it. I don't braid it all the way. So now I'm just going to fast forward it just because it's self-explanatory and it's very much repetitive. So for the front, I braid it a little bit differently. I separate this section into two, and then I make the braids go forward so it could frame my face. I kind of mentioned that in my previous video. Now that my hair is done being braided, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry just a little bit to make sure that the product is dry for tomorrow morning. It's the next day and my hair is pretty dry. I kind of went back a little bit with the blow dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna start unbraiding my hair. I don't like separating my hair until all of it is unbraided or untwisted. It's just a preference, so I'm slowly gonna do that. So just remember that you want to take your time when you are separating your braids or your twist, just because it'll create frizz. But for this video, I didn't take my time. I kind of like my froze and my braid outs to be fluffy. I just want to add that I did not add any oil to my hair when I was braiding it or even when I was unbraiding it this morning. All of that moisture is coming from the curl enhancing smoothie. It's amazing. You don't need to like do the entire LCO method. I just do LC and just stop there.
Prince of an umbrella for you. She really said she grew up poor like me. Don't believe in nothing but the almighty. Just a little jeans and a pure whitey. She never do forever be nobody wifey. So while I'm in a pretty boy, your heart is amazing. Play you like a villain cause you got to the way. Tonight I am walking away. Lying there my mind on the grind, yeah. Tonight I might fall in love, depending on how you hold me. I'm glad that I'm coming down. Can't let no one come control me. Keep dancing and call it love. She fighting but falling slowly. If ever you are in doubt, remember what mama told me. Your skin girl.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I was feeling myself a little bit because I look cute. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share as well. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
The best thing in the world.